Reverse crunch, incline bench. Incline reverse crunch targets the lower abdominal muscles and can be an effective way to strengthen the core. In the beginning, it's best to start with a flat bench and then gradually increase the incline up to 45 degrees to increase the intensity. Here's how it works. To perform this exercise, it's best to use a foam roller or something similar that you can hold between the hamstrings and calves of the legs. This prevents us from swinging the legs to create momentum and cheat the movement. Start by setting the bench to an incline level that allows you to perform the specified number of reps with good form. Lie down on the bench and hold the foam roller between your calves and hamstrings. Then grip the bench with your hands behind your head and your elbows pointing up towards the ceiling. At the start of the set, push your lower back flat on the bench. When performing the reverse crunch, you don't want the lower back to arch off the bench. As you lift the hips off the bench, the spine will round and the lower back will lift. But as you lower the hips back to the bench, do not allow the lower back to arch off the bench. From the bottom, engage your core muscles to lift your hips off the bench, bringing your knees up and over the elbows. You want to lift your hips off the bench, roll your tailbone towards your head, and bring your knees above your elbows. At the same time, imagine you're pulling your elbows down towards your abdominals. Contract your lats and pull against the bench nice and hard. The arms will not move, but the intention is there. From the top, slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position with control. You want to roll your spine back to the bench one vertebrae at a time. The reverse crunch is a challenging movement that can be performed for high repetitions in the 12 to 15 rep range. But most beginners will need to start with 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps and gradually increase the volume over time. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.